Jai Hind everybody. I am again here with the some problems of chapter 9, applications of trigonometry, and this is question number 6. कि a 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30 meter tall building. किसी 30 मीटर टॉल बिल्डिंग से 30 मीटर टॉल बिल्डिंग से कोई बच्चा जो कि 1.5 मीटर हाइट का है किसी डिस्टेंस पे जो है खड़ा है. सपोज दिस इज द बिल्डिंग, दिस इज द बिल्डिंग AB. This is the building AB. A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30 meter tall building. This is the person which is 1.5 meter tall. 1.5 meter tall. And height of the building is 30 meter. What is the height of this building? 30 meter. Suppose this is the boy, CD. CD is the boy. AB is the building. This is the building. And this is the boy. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree as he walks towards the building. जो एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन है जो उसकी आंखों से कहाँ के लिए बनता है? टॉप ऑफ द बिल्डिंग के साथ. दैट इंक्रीजेज फ्रॉम 30 to 60 डिग्री. दिस वन, दिस एंगल इज 30 डिग्री. इट इंक्रीजेज फ्रॉम 30 डिग्री to 60 डिग्री एज ही वॉक्स टुवर्ड्स द बिल्डिंग. सपोज जो है वो यहाँ पे आ गया, बच्चा जो है चलते चलते आपका यहाँ पहुँच गया, तो दिस एंगल इज हाउ मच? ये बच्चा यहाँ पे चला आपका, इधर पहुँचा, तो दिस एंगल इज 60 डिग्री. व्हाट वाज द एंगल फर्स्ट ईयर? 30 डिग्री. व्हेन द बॉयज रीचेज हियर, व्हेन द बॉयज रीचेज हियर, this angle becomes 60 degree. This angle becomes 60 degree. Find the distance he walked towards the building. वो बिल्डिंग की तरफ कितना डिस्टेंस चला है ये आपको निकालना है. सपोज दिस इज पॉइंट E. दिस इज पॉइंट E. दोबारा से क्वेश्चन के समझो कि a 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30 meter tall building. कोई 1.5 मीटर लंबा लड़का किसी 30 मीटर ऊंची बिल्डिंग से कुछ डिस्टेंस पे खड़ा है. दिस डिस्टेंस BC डिस्टेंस पे खड़ा है. द एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन इंक्रीजेज फ्रॉम हिज आईज. ये उस बच्चे की आई है, यहाँ पे उसकी आईज है पॉइंट डी पे. द एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन इंक्रीजेज फ्रॉम 30 डिग्री टू 60 डिग्री एज ही वॉक्स टुवर्ड्स द बिल्डिंग. जैसे जैसे वो सी से बिल्डिंग की तरफ जाता है. पहले बच्चे की दिस इज द फर्स्ट पोजीशन एंड दैट इज द फाइनल पोजीशन. द एंगल इंक्रीजेज फ्रॉम 30 डिग्री टू 60 डिग्री. तो क्वेश्चन इज दिस, फाइंड द डिस्टेंस ही वॉक्ड टुवर्ड्स द बिल्डिंग. टुवर्ड्स द बिल्डिंग. नाउ जस्ट लुक हियर. So this is 1.5 meter and this was 30 meter. So this will also 1.5 meter. Which one? This B. Suppose this is point F. So what will be the length of this AF? This AF will be, just subtract it. This is 30, total 30, 30 minus 1.5. This will become 28.5 meter. What is the height of this one? 28.5 meter. Now just look here. Suppose he walks towards the building this distance. You have to find this distance. Now just look here. In triangle AFE, in right triangle AFE, just look here. This is AF upon EF. How much? This is what? Perpendicular upon base, that is tan 60 degree. Put the values. What is AF? 28.5 upon EF. How much it is? Tan 60 degree. Or 28.5 is equal to EF multiplied by tan 60. Put the value. 28.5 is equal to EF, and what is the value of tan this one? Under root 3. So we can find the value of from EF. EF will be equal to 28.5 divided by under root 3. 28.5 divided by under root 3. Now rationalize it. What we will do here now? We will multiply it with under root 3 in the numerator as well as in denominator. So what will become? 28.5 under root 3 upon 3. Just divide it. 3 9 ja 27, and this is 9.53. So what is the length of EF now? EF we have taken. Now EF is how much? 9.5 under root 3. This we have find out. Is it okay? What is the length of this EF? 9.5 under root 3. Again now just take this whole triangle AFD. AFD. Now in triangle AFD. In triangle AFD. Just look here, what will happen? This AF upon just look at this distance. This one FD or DF is equal to what? This is perpendicular upon base is how much? Tan 30. And what is the value of tan 30? 1 upon under root 3. 1 upon under root 3. Is it okay? Now just look here. AF just multiplied here. AF into under root 3 is equal to DF. or we can say, just look here, AF upon DF is equal to 1 upon under root 3. Therefore, what will happen? DF into 1. DF will be just look here, AF multiplied by under root 3. What is the length of AF? Is it here? 28.5. AF will be 28.5 under root 3. Now just tell me, what is this DF? This DF is the length of DE plus EF. DF is DE plus EF. Can we write here? DF means DE plus EF, and this is given 28.5 under root 3. We have to find the value of DE. So DE will be, just tell me, 28.5 under root 3 minus DE, you have to find EF. EF. Now, from the equation first, put the value of EF. What is the value of EF? 9.5 under root 3. So it will become 28.5 into under root 3 minus 9.5 under root 3. So what will be here? 28.5 under root 3. Suppose under root 3 is a banana. So this is, let under root 3 means banana. So 28.5 banana minus 9.5 banana, यानी 28.5 जो केले हैं उसमें से माइनस कर दो 9.5 केले. तो what will left? 28.5 minus 9.5. This is 19. 19 केले, bananas, or that is what? Under root 3. What is the answer? Under root 3. 19 into under root 3. Therefore, the distance D is 19 under root 3 meter, and this is the answer. Is it here? So how much distance he will walk towards the building? That is 19 multiplied under root 3 meter. Therefore, the distance traveled by the boy towards the building is how much? 19 under root 3 meter. 19 under root 3 meter. Is it okay? Now we have this question number 7. We have this question number 7. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and the top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building are 45 degree and 60 degree. Find the height of the tower. This is a question from a point on the ground. This is question number 7. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and the top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of 20-meter high building. This is the building. This one. AB is the building. AB is the building. And what is the height of this building? 20-meter high building. A transmission tower is fixed. Angle of elevation of the bottom and the top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of 20-meter high building. एक ट्रांसमिशन टावर जो है इसके ऊपर फिक्स है, किसके? बिल्डिंग के. This one. This is the tower. A, B, and this is point D. This AD is transmission tower. What is this? Transmitter tower. Suppose इसकी height है h. What is the height of this transmission tower? h. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and the top of a transmission tower. Suppose this is the any point on the ground. This is any point on the ground. See, from this point, the angle of elevation for the top and the bottom, they are given how much? 45 degree and 60 degree. So this is this angle is 45 degree and this is 60 degree. This is 60 degree. The question is this कि find the height of the tower. Find the height of the tower. तो यहाँ पे हमने ले लिया है कि let the height of the tower is how much? h. Now just look here. Now you have two triangles, two right angle triangle. The first one is DBC. In triangle DBC. Just tell me this DB upon BC. What is this height? DB upon BC. What is this? Perpendicular upon base, and that is this angle tan 60 degree. Can you tell me the height of DB? DB is how much? This AD plus AB and upon BC. How much? Tan 60 under root 3. From here you can take what is the height of tower? H I have taken. H plus AB is how much? 20 meter is equal to how much? BC under root 3. H plus 20 is equal to BC under root 3. So from here we can find equation number 1. Is it there? Now just look at the another triangle ABC. Now in triangle ABC, just look here. This AB upon BC. AB upon BC is tan 45. And what is the value of tan 45? That is 1. Therefore, AB is equal to what? BC. AB is equal to BC. Or you can say 20 meter. So from here we can find out what is the value of BC? 20 meter. What is the value of BC? 20 meter. Now use this value. Just put BC is equal to 20. BC is equal to 20 in equation 1. In equation 1. Put this value of BC in equation 1. What will happen? The equation first will become. What will become equation first? H plus 20. H plus 20 is equal to how much? What is the value of BC? 20 multiplied by under root 3. Or H is equal to 20 under root 3 minus 20. You can put the value of this. Or H is equal to 20. You can take outside. You will get under root 3 minus 1. Now you can put the value of this much under root 3, which is 1.732. 1.732, or you can get the answer, or simply you can leave your answer here. Height will be 20 multiplied with under root 3 minus 1 meter. So this is the height of the tower. Is it okay? This is the height of the tower. Now this is question number 8. A statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of a pedestal. A statue, एक स्टेचू है जो 1.6 मीटर टॉल है, 1.6 मीटर ऊंची है, खड़ी है on the top of a pedestal. Suppose this is the pedestal. This one. This is the pedestal. A, B is the pedestal. What is this? Pedestal. PEDES pedestal. ठीक है? इसके ऊपर कोई जो है स्टैचू है. This one. BC is the statue. What is BC? Statue. And what is the height of this statue? 1.6 meter. 1.6 meter. Now question is this. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60. Suppose this is the point on the ground. This is point D. The angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degree, and from the same point the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degree. This one. This is the top of the pedestal. How much is this angle given? This is 45. What is this angle? 45. And the angle of the elevation of the top of the statue is given 60 degree. This angle. This one. This whole angle is given 60 degree. The question is this. You find the height of the pedestal. Same question. Same question of the previous one. So this is the pedestal. I have to find the height of this AB. So just look in triangle ADB. In triangle BAD or ADB you can write. In triangle this one BAD. Just look here. What will happen? This AB upon AD. AB upon AD is what? Perpendicular upon base. That is 45 degree, and which is 1. Therefore, what will be AB? AB will be AD. AB will be AD. Is it okay? Now just look on the triangle ADC, and in triangle ADC, just look here. What is this? AC upon AD. AC upon AD is how much? Perpendicular upon base, again tan 60 degree, and which is what? How much? Under root 3. Therefore, AC will be how much? AD under root 3. AC will be AD under root 3. AC. What is AC here? AC is the sum of BC plus AB. BC plus AB. And AD is what? AD is AB. So this is AB under root 3. Now, what you have to find? You have to find the value of AB. So what will happen here? BC will be AB under root 3 minus what? AB. This minus will come this side and it will become minus. Now what will happen? We can take BC is equal to AB, you can take outside, and this is under root 3 minus 1. From here you can find AB is equal to BC upon under root 3 minus 1. Now put the value of BC. What is the value of BC? That is 1.6 meter. 1.6 upon under root 3 minus 1. Now rationalize it. So what will happen? You have to multiply with the rationalizing factor of under root 3 minus 1. And what is the rationalizing factor of under root 3 minus 1? We will change only this symbol. Minus is here, we will write plus. So this is what? 1.6 under root 3 plus 1 and divided by, just look here, this is the formula of the kind A minus B into A plus B, which is A square minus B square. It will become under root 3 square minus 1 square. So now just look here. What is the value of AB? Just check it out. 1.6 into under root 3 plus 1 or divided by this 3 square 3 minus 1. Yani how much? 2. So what this will? .8 into under root 3 plus 1 meter. 0.18 into under root 3 plus 1 meter. Put the value here of under root 3. AB will be 0.8 into 1.732 plus 1. What it will? 0.8 multiplied with 1 plus 1.732. It will become 2.732. 2.732 meter. Just multiply them. 8 to the 16. 24, 25, and this is 21. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 2.1856 meter. Just look question number 9. This is the question. The angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of a tower is 30 degree and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. If the tower is 50 meter high, find the height of the building. Suppose this is the tower. This is tower. AB. AB is the tower. Okay. And this CD is the building. CD is the building. The angle of elevation of the top of a building from the tower and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is this. If the height of the tower is 50 meter, what is the height of the tower? AB. Given है कि height of the tower AB is given how much? 50 meter, and you have to find height of the building. To be find what? Height of the building. Height of the building, which is how much? CD we have to find. CD we have to find. The question is this. The angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower. Where is the foot of the tower? This. From here, this angle is elevation is given how much? This angle of elevation, this is the foot of the tower and this is the top of the building. This angle is given 30 degree. What is given this angle? 30 degree. Okay. And the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building. This is the foot of the building. And from here, this angle of elevation of the top of the tower is how much? It is given 60 degree. This angle is given 60 degree. The question is this, you find the height of the building. Find the height of the building. Is it okay? This is the question. You find the height of the building. This CD we have to find out. Now just look here. We have two right angle triangle here. The first one, now in right angle triangle, just take it out. BCD. BCD. What will happen here? This CD. CD upon BC. CD is the perpendicular upon base. That is tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree. So what is the length of CD here? BC into tan 30 degree. And what is the value of tan 30? 1 upon under root 3. 1 upon under root 3. This is the value of CD. Is it there? Now the another triangle ABC. Again in triangle ABC. Again in right angle triangle. Which one is there? ABC. ABC. What will happen? AB upon BC is equal to how much? Tan 60. AB upon BC is equal to tan 60. And the question was this. The tower is 50 meter high. It was given. What is the height of this tower? 50 meter. AB upon BC, perpendicular upon base is how much? Tan. This is tan 60. And what is the value of tan 60? That is under root 3. Therefore, AB is equal to BC under root 3. What is the length of AB? 50 meter. 50 is equal to how much? BC under root 3. BC under root 3. 50 is equal to how much? BC under root 3. This is equation number second. This is equation number second. And let this was equation number 1. CD is equal to BC upon under root 3. Okay. And we have to find what? This CD. So from first we can put down the value of this BC. So what will be BC? Under root 3 into CD. From equation 1, BC will be how much? Under root 3 into CD. Just put in equation second. यहाँ से जो है BC की वैल्यू निकाली क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन से अंडर रूट 3 इंटू CD और सेकेंड इक्वेशन में पुट कर दिया. तो नाउ व्हाट विल द इक्वेशन नंबर सेकेंड? जस्ट चेक इट आउट. व्हाट इज देयर? 50 इज देयर. 50 इज इक्वल टू व्हाट इज BC? अंडर रूट 3 CD और मल्टीप्लाइड बाय अंडर रूट 3. व्हाट विल बिकम? 3 CD 3 into CD. So therefore CD will be 50 upon 3. That is 16.66 meter. So what is this CD? This CD was the height of the building. So therefore the height of the building is 16.66 meter. 16.66 meter. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.